like if you go on the older roller coaster, it's just that bar.
Yeah. You don't have the harness.
You slowly go up as well.
You think you're gonna fall out.
Yeah, but then now with the harness, it's not that scary anymore.
But because she's so small and they fit the harness, there's too much movement. You know, and she's like, Vicky, I can still move. I'm gonna fall out.
Yeah.
And that was her thought process the whole time. I'm like, no, you're okay, Bloods. And Mark was behind, and he's like, no, it's okay, Bloods. It's okay. And she's like,
but not bad. First time in front as well.
Oh, I know.
That's pretty hardcore.
Impressive.
Yeah.
For 8.
For 8 as well.
Like she was like that much above the height range to get onto the ride. So I was like, I never did that. And no, you're alright. You're like doing great. You're doing great.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it was very cool. Once she got over the shock, she was like,
again.
Yeah, I did it. Yeah, let's do it again.
Then you line up for half an hour or another.
Or like an hour.
Yeah.